All right, so anyway, we had a leak, and this is the first time for me, so I bought one of these, all right? And this is a knee kicker carpet installation thing. So we're gonna try using it. This is it here. And I guess this part grabs the carpet, this part you hit with your knee. So I gotta get like here, and I gotta stretch it into the corner. So I push it down, and then I hit it, like that. And then I'm gonna push this into these nails right here. And so I'm just gonna, sometimes it gets caught, so you gotta move it here. Gotta get it down in there like that. So see this right here, I've gotta get it on there. So I'm gonna kind of slide this, I'm gonna put it here, and I've gotta kick it. I want to kick it closer, like that. And now I'm going to take this and push it down in there, just like that. And then it kind of sets right in there, like that. Pretty cool, huh? And we just got to go a little bit farther, kick it, just like that. We back up just a little bit. So what I'm doing is I'm giving it a little kick, and then getting it in. Alright, so now I'm going to flip this a little bit farther and get her here, kick it in, kick her in. Yeah, that's it. Alright, looking good, man. I've never done this before. This is my first time. Now we've got to go over here on this side, right? Check it out. So we got to go all in there and then right here. And then I'll have this side done. I can go ahead and put my pieces back and make it look half decent. I've got to kind of roll it like that. Okay. So now I'm going to get over here and right here I got to get this part over here, right? So I'm going to walk over there. I'm going to get this on it like that. And then I gotta try to get it in like that. There we go. That's the key. You gotta get it right into the seam. Right there. I was really worried about this because I wasn't sure if I could get it done right. But I think I'm gonna do it good. So now I've got to get the, I gotta get it so it's not, so it's tight. Follow me? And then I just push it right into that seam. Just like that. Just like that. Alright, so we're doing pretty good. Okay, now you guys can see over here a little bit better. So I'm going to keep on going tight. And it kind of sometimes gets caught on there. Okay. And then I got to push her in. Looking good. Come over here so you guys can see a little bit better. And I'm see this part here gets, that grabs the carpet, right? And then when I hit it on this side, it gets it tighter. And once I've got that, then I can shove this corner in, just like that. And then the tacks in that wood hold her down. But you want to make sure you don't pull the carpet up once you've done that. This is my first time, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I think I'm getting it in there. See, I'm trying to go from both sides. So, like, what I do is I do shit I've never done before. Because you know what? If I can do it, so can you guys. You follow me? I mean, okay. And I'm just gonna knock it down. I think that's it, man. Let's step back and And check out our freaking great design that we did. Look at that. I just laid carpet. Holy crap. That's my first time. And I think I did a pretty good job, don't you? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I do stuff I've never done before. I'm going to try it anyway. Peace out.